there, little pals. It's your buddy, Rachel. Today we're in for a fantastic Halloween adventure full of surprises and giggles. Oh dear, it's Halloween, and I can't decide what costume to wear. Should I be a pumpkin, a witch, or a superhero? So many choices. Let's try them all. But you know what? Halloween is about having fun, no matter what costume you wear. Gather round, my little friends. It's story time. Are you ready for a magical Halloween tale? Once upon a time, in a quiet, cobweb-covered village, there lived a not-so-scary ghost named Casper. Casper was a friendly ghost, and he loved Halloween more than anything in the world. Every year, Casper would decorate his ghostly home with the spookiest yet most colorful decorations. He put up bright orange pumpkins, dark black cats, and spooky white ghosts all around. But there was one thing that Casper loved the most about Halloween: candy. He couldn't wait to go trick-or-treating with his friends. The night of Halloween finally arrived. Casper and his friends put on their costumes, and they looked fantastic. Casper was dressed as a pumpkin, the witch was a cat, and the skeleton was a pirate. They set off on their spooky adventure, knocking on doors and saying, "Trick or treat!" The neighbors were so happy to see them, and they gave them lots of candies. But do you know what made Casper the happiest ghost in the world? It wasn't the candies he received. It was the smiles on the faces of his friends. They were all having so much fun together. And so, Casper and his friends learned that Halloween wasn't just about candy. It was about friendship and sharing. They went home with full bags of candies and hearts full of happiness. And that, my dear friends, is the story of Casper the friendly ghost and his unforgettable Halloween adventure filled with love and laughter. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Don't forget, Halloween is a time for fun, friendship, and sweet treats, just like Casper and his friends. Until next time, my little pals, happy Halloween!
Hi there, kids. I'm Pumpkin, and I'm here to share a spooky Halloween poem with you. In the night so dark and black, witches fly on broomsticks, oh so fast. Ghosts and goblins, oh what a fright! Halloween is here with its spooky delight. Pumpkins glowing with eyes so bright, grinning and gleaming in the moonlight. Jack-o'-lanterns, they flicker and gleam. In the October night, it's a Halloween dream. Dress up in costumes, so funny and cool. Princesses, superheroes, a ghost or ghoul. Trick-or-treating from door to door, candy and treats, we're asking for more. Haunted houses with creaks and groans, skeletons, spiders and ghostly moans. But don't you worry, my little dear, for Halloween's a time for fun and cheer. So gather your friends, it's time to play on this spooktacular, fun-filled day. With laughter and treats and stories to share. Happy Halloween, my friends, if you dare.
That was wonderful, Pumpkin. And there you have it, a delightful Halloween poem to get you in the spooky spirit. I hope you enjoyed our Halloween adventure today, filled with fun stories, candy, and more. Thank you for joining us, my wonderful friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more magical adventures, and share this with your pals. Happy Halloween to each and every one of you. Have a fantastic, spooky, and safe Halloween, and I'll see you again on our next magical adventure. Bye for now.